Find the area of the triangle having the points A of 1, 1, 1, B of 1, 2, 3, and C of 2, 3, 1 as its vertices. So the vertices are nothing but here it has a position vectors. So if we write the points in the vector form, we will get it as let OA vector is equals to, we will get it as I plus j plus k, while OB vector is equals to, we will get it as I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap, while OC vector is equals to, we will write it as 2I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. Now first we will calculate AB vector. The formula is given by OB vector minus OA vector. So when OA vector is subtracted from OB vector, then we will get it as j cap plus 2k cap, and that is known as AB vector. Next we will calculate AC vector. The formula is OC vector minus OA vector. OC vector minus OA vector gives the value called I cap plus 2j cap. This is called as AC vector. Now we will calculate area of the triangle. So the area of a triangle ABC is equals to, it is given by the formula half into AB vector cross AC vector. Now first we will calculate AB vector cross AC vector is equals to, we will get in the determinant form, that is known as IJK, that is first row comes from AB vector, that is 0, 1, 2, while the third row comes from the AC vector, that is known as 1, 2, 0, that is equals to I cap into 0 minus 4 minus j cap into 0 minus 2 plus k cap into 0 minus 1. When we simplify this, we will get it as minus 4 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. Therefore, we will substitute in the area of the triangle, that is equals to area is equals to half into magnitude of AB cross AC vector, that is equals to 1 by 2 into magnitude of 4 I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap, that is equals to 1 by 2 into root of minus 4 whole square plus 2 square plus minus 1 whole square, that is equals to 1 by 2 into root of 16 plus 4 plus 1, that is equals to 1 by 2 into root of 21. We'll call it as the area, that is root 21 by 2 square units.